My dream life, so me no stop by no red light. Nah, stop. Can't stop. You only me
Oh,
only feel
I
that.
actually broke the red light. This is why I post them. I'm gonna stop your blood. Jesus.
Reaction.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's a boy, Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. And I'm back in this with another reaction for you guys. I only got one question to ask you all first. First of all, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. Spam the fire emojis if you don't know what to comment. Now I got a question for you guys. Right now, y'all saw I posted a video last week. I posted a video Saturday, right? I have Americans singing Caribbean music.
BI6 outside, tell the pussy them try.
BI6 tell the pussy on time.
Bad boy with you face.
Them girl one bad boy with you. That boy run like a wounded dog.
Oh, she like that. Go for it.
Gunman is you, she like that.
I feel not majority of y'all saying y'all like it a lot. You understand me? But I'm talking to you who haven't watched that video yet or who haven't seen that video. Go check it out. It's very funny. It's very late. It's very entertaining. So I want y'all to go give it a watch and see if y'all like it. Okay, because part 2 is coming soon. Part 2 is coming very, very soon, and that, trust me, it is late. And I think I'm gonna continue to do it a whole lot more. And y'all know I have a lot of different places that I react to music from. Not just Trinidad, not just Jamaica, not just Guyana, not just Belize. But I have a lot of places that I react to music from, and I want to represent for the entire lot of y'all that I do reactions for. You understand me? Anyway, so right today we have Prince Swanny song called Radar. It's a video. This is what's popping. Y'all know music videos on this channel. Yep, I got like 3 channels now. So music video reactions are gonna be posted on Tyrekevlogs. The audio reaction is gonna be posted on Tyrek Reacts. You can be down below in the description of this video. Okay, so go subscribe to the channel for the bad audios then. I think I posted Meds Boss 7 again. I haven't done it yet, but I'm gonna post that today. I'm doing this video today, but it's gonna be posted tomorrow. Yes, anyways. Let's get straight to this video right now. See what's popping. Right, you? Alright then.
From me touch down the ups, we stay far.
What is it? From him touchdown, they said the ups office stay far. The man wrote to the Range Rover for it. Range Rover on base. Big up to Antonio Ake, you see me I say, got you!
When you're moving up in a life,
Yeah.
you know your friend of me is got them day in disguise. Make them cut the cloth for form a different design.
When you move up in a life in a youth, you have to watch your Freddy me them in a dog. You have to watch. Not switch, we want the lighter. We want the lighter. Bumbuckle belt. Run through. Bumbuckle belt. Damn. Never have a lighter somewhere in there. Dog. You know what? Hey, focus on me now, man. You move so grimy in there. You know, don't grimy. Run through.
Them a do anything to get the limelight.
Yeah.
That's why me stay to myself. Me not trust nobody. From me heart full up, I love you and lucky. All about
Big up to people that will stay to themselves. You see me I say. You know, run up and down to everybody. Once when you make worse when you make a big move for yourself. You see me I say you need a bag of people. You don't need a lot of people around you, dog. You don't need a lot of people around you to go up in life. You just need a few serious people who do what you want to do. You understand me? People that's gonna... People can help you basically. You know nobody to help you down? Go on!
some call it the money. Motivated by the youths in the streets to support me. No father figure from a small, my mama grew me.
Yeah.
Do it every day like Nike, Jesse Honey.
Alright.
FaceTime with that kind of...
I would that. I mommy that. I mommy that. I mommy
The youths
that.
in the streets to support me. No father figure from a small, my mama grew me.
I mommy that. Alright, then mommy big up yourself. Then for you that is me I say myself from this man, no father. John was star. Big up to all single mother them out there, you see me I say. I do it themselves and raise youth them by themselves. Big up on yourself, you see me I say. Yeah man. And the man before them run off, you cannot throw a body. You cannot throw a body and can't mind the pitney. You see me I say. Don't talk. Go on!
Do it every day like Nike, just honey. FaceTime my daughter in the night when me lonely.
Yeah.
You wanna see my baby girl?
Alright.
Me do it for ya. Go so hard.
But that song when big up him daughter, you know, say man happy, say man him youth, you stay there. Yeah, stay there. Big up to the one like real father them out there too and them pick their life too, you see me I say. Yeah man, when I big up to the mommy there, you big up to everybody, you see me I say, go to the them out there waiting at them pick their life. Yeah dog. Well on Mr. Swanny. The video react to last week. Oh, go on.
Fucking up the radar. Every time I touch down, I generate the paper. Roll the clips, bring the bricks. One time I link sticks. And my dogs them from the only thing we sing ships. If it is my family, the 15 as
that. All popcorn now video bad. But Swanny, that was shot today, the scene where you know the marine and thing. The video entanglement video. So I tell me say that one day, it's much clips I do in one day and thing because I know say I see him for that today. Go on!
Pussy say me soul and no know me risk it. One big fat spliff that a cool my system. See my dreamline, so me no stop by no red light. Nah stop, can't stop.
I wish part of that. I'm not Trinidad that. I'm not Trinidad that. I wish part of that. I wish part of that people. Me don't know. Me not travel the whole place. The only other place me be, 2 places me in America. So far is California, Chicago. I wish I would stay right now. You see me, I say I really travel a lot. We got a lot that over there. Yeah, go on.
The only thing me need the most I trust God.
Yeah.
Him a the one to make me just reach to the top.
Yeah.
Dreamline, so me no stop by no red light. Nah stop,
Oh,
can't stop.
yeah,
The only
the
thing
dream life, so I'm not stop like no red light. One more clear. Yeah. Yeah. And as usual, the people say if you don't want to listen to this song or watch this video without me pausing it, giving the reaction while you click on the video. Link to the original song will be down below in the description of this video. Okay, so go pre it for yourself. I have to do this so y'all are able to see the videos, because if I don't do it like how I'm doing it right now, it's gonna get blocked on YouTube worldwide and nobody can watch the reaction, boss, and we don't want that. We don't want that. Not gonna lie to you, I like how the area move strong, you know. But we don't want the reaction boss to get cancelled. You see me? So we have to do the thing the right way. Well then. That's the beauty of having a real life mind, you see me? Look up to everybody who know me never have an ear for me. This style look weird still. Go on!
the most I trust God. Him a the one to make me just reach to the top down. Me know the fuck of them want see my drop.
Yeah.
Me hold the faith and remain humble.
Dirty bad man them no want see the dog prosper. Dirty bad man them no want see the dog make it, but guess what? Can't stop it. According to a great mother and that quote, can't hold we again. Alright, go on!
Fighting at this game, me can't stop now. I'ma never grow me fi back down.
Yeah.
Pre them pre me like TV. Say me bleach me skin, say me crash them dreams. Say me murder.
We all know you recorded this song before people start saying you're bleaching in Mr. Swanny. So, you basically tell me say you do that for people talk about say you can put the song up. Go on!
Who then I plot for me? Month a thing, invest people take me G. That's why when we drive my car, me have to watch the damn speed limit.
Yeah.
See no friends so me I roll with it. Know some and if them a catch me, them a deal with me. Better than fi have it.
You know how much time the Babylon will stop Swanny dog and harass the bumbuckle man dog, like can't give the dog a blast sometimes to the dog. The dog is actually entertaining and do good for your bumbuckle country. The dog give me time to stop man. Yeah, be an extra thing like I said the man and the artist and thing that you can't do the man certain way. I think look respect for the dog name the dog, isn't me? I say nah, I said I'm sure me reach over there, I want to stop me and treat me good too. So me not say nothing to you, see me? I say, big up for yourself, Mr. Officer. Yeah, hi, what's up? Yep. I'll see you all soon. Yeah. Alright, yeah, dog. Alright, go on.
And have it and a dead. Know some dirty fucker we put money for me. So me ever have it for me, put one in a the head. Want to see my daughter every time we wake up out of bed. Disappear the pan the eye with them, switch it up.
That T that switch. Bomb clock. I make up and say what kind of oil can I see I pull up with them, but him switch up in the road, the Range Rover. I say what kind of T that you pull up with a big bad artist like that, but him switch out in the day? Range Rover. I saw the thing set. Why pre-real boss? What you say? Popcorn.
Again, chasing my dream line. So me no stop by no red light. Nah, stop. Can't stop. You only me
Oh,
only
the
feel
dog
that.
actually broke the red light. This is why the police are gonna stop him. Jesus, we stop like the red light. The dog, he actually run the red light. And then so yeah, stop him for officer. You stand there. You stand there. Go on!
Me number reach a point in this game, me can't stop no. Mama never grew me free.
All who realize, say he's watching, whatever the name, dog, Heathen video in the background of the video. Heathen video is actually playing. Go on, you can see it in the background.
Free them, free me like
Pick up
TV.
everybody who
See
say
me
that.
chain them fake,
Them
see
are
me
free
crash
like
them
TV, dog.
dreams.
Go fuck like them. Rich. No. Anyway, it's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Yeah, just watch a bad reaction. You know what you need to do right now. If you never like the video, leave a like right now. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe right now. And you don't know if you want to see them funny, freaky American videos that I be doing, you gotta subscribe to my other channel called Ty Island. Yes, I got 3 channels. So I got Ty Island, TY Island, and I got Tyrekevlogs, and I got Tyrik Reacts. 3 channels, trying to do it. You don't know chap going on. You don't know chap going on. You understand? Big up to everybody who know who inspires my channel and all that something. You don't know chap going ready. Reaction boss. Peace.